Morning children, today's date is 25th of November and the year is 2020 and today's day is Wednesday. So in our phonics class, we are again going to be doing about the her brothers. Yes, so do you remember which brother is this looking at the picture? Which brother is this? What action is he doing? He's trying to make everyone quiet. Yes, he does not like noise. Which brother is this? This is brother number 1 and his name is Shh brother. Yes, so he's brother number 1. Yes, so there are total 5 her brothers and this is the first brother and his name is Shh. Okay, so now let us look at some words that begin with the sound shh. See here, I have a list of words which we are going to read together. Yes. So first we are going to read the words that are blue in color. Can you see this here? The blue ones. So can we read this? Which sound is this? S and H together make the sound shh. Yes. So can we read the first one? Sh, o, p, shop. Second one, sh, I, p, ship. Third one, sh, I, n, shin. The fourth one, sh, a, r, k, shark. The sixth one, the fifth one, sheep, sheep. So the sound is sh, and when we see 2 e's together, we say the e sound a little longer. It's a long e sound. Okay, so it's not e, but 2 e's make the sound e. Okay, so it's sh, sheep. And the last one, sh, o, v, e, l. Yeah, it's a long word, but we'll try again. Sh, o makes sho, v, e, l, well, shovel. Yes, you can break the word and read if it's very long for you. Okay, so now we had these words that began with the sound shh. Okay, but now here I have a few words that end with the sound shh. Yes, so we can have the shh sound at the beginning of the word and also at the end of the word. So here we'll have a look at few words that end with the sh sound. Yeah, so this is new to you today. So you already know of the sound sh when we write at the beginning of the word. Today we are going to learn how we use it at the end of the word as well. Okay, so the first word here, yes, it is f, I. And what's the sound? Sh. S and H together make the sound sh. F, I, sh, fish. And the second word, k, a, sh, k, a, sh, cash. The next one, r, a, sh, rash. Yes. Now the next one. What's a rash? Yes, when it gets very irritating and you feel like rubbing in it again and again. Yeah, you get that itchy feeling. Yeah, and then when you itch a lot, you get rash on your body. Yes. Next one. H, a, sh, h, a, sh, hush. Hush means to keep quiet. Yeah, if you are hushing in a room, If you're hushing and going somewhere, that means you're going very quietly. Yes. Then we have the next word, dash. Dash. What's dash? Yeah, when two cars collide, we call it the cars dashed each other. Yes, the word is dash. Then we have wish. Yes, when you blow your birthday candle, you make a wish. Yes, you wish for something, you desire for something, that's called a wish. Okay, so these were the words that ended with the sound sh. Okay, children, so the sound sh can be used at the beginning of the word and also at the end of the word. So we find the sound coming at the beginning as well as at the end of the word. So children, we can again revise looking at these pictures. Yes, few pictures. Some words that end with the sh sound. Now looking at the picture, you know what is this? Which animal is this? It's a water animal. Yes, it's a fish. Fish. So here the beginning sound is fish. Yes, and what's the ending sound here? The ending sound is sh. It's f-e-sh, fish. And this is a brush. Yes, so we use a toothbrush to brush our teeth. Yes, we use a hairbrush to comb our hair. So this is a hairbrush, but we can also call it just brush. Yes, so it is b. Yes, the big belly is b, r, a, sh, brush. So here, what's the beginning sound? Brush. The beginning sound is b, but the ending sound is brush. Sh is the ending sound. Yes, then this is the trash. Yes, so we throw all our garbage in the trash. We are supposed to throw all our garbage in the trash. Yes, can we read the word here? T-r-a-sh. Trash. Yes, so trash. The beginning sound is t in trash, and the ending sound is sh. Trash. Yeah, the ending sound is sh. You have to listen to the words carefully to understand the beginning sound and the ending sound. Yes, the second one is a dish. Yes, can we read the word d-i-sh, dish. Now this is with the bump behind. Yes, so it's d-i-sh, dish. So in the word dish, the beginning sound is d, and the ending sound in the word dish is sh. Yes, now what happened to the car over here? Yes, it bumped into the tree and there was a car crash. Yes, it looks like the car has crashed with the tree. Yes, can we read the word here now? K-r-a-sh, crash, crash. Yes. The beginning sound here in the word crash is k, and ending sound in the word crash is sh. So children, I want you to look for some more words, yes, that end with the sound sh. Happy learning, children. Bye.